Hello beautiful family. Today my girls are going to show you guys how to make cupcake. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into it.
Hey guys! Today we are making some chocolate muffins and vanilla. Okay, so first we mixed up sugar and butter up in here.
So now they are beating their batter.
It hurts.
Okay.
Don't tell me about it. So now we'll be adding the eggs, as you can see.
So what is vanilla?
Vanilla extract.
Oh.
You should add it. Okay, vanilla skin. Yeah, it's enough. Another. Yeah. Should I mix it? Let us see chocolate muffins. Yeah. Oh. So now we're adding the flour. Everything? Yeah.
How is it?
So now we're going to be adding the salt. Now we're also adding some nutmeg.
Everything.
The whole thing.
Yeah, Okay, look.
And now I am going to mix it.
Okay.
Scrape. Mix it good.
Now we're going to be adding the milk. Not the whole thing, but just like a quarter. Like this. Ito si clockwise.
So now we're going to set this aside. Oh, sorry.
And do what?
And take some chocolate
And break the chocolate.
and break. So now we're going to dice the chocolate into bits. And we're going to add a little bit to the mixture, batter, brown chocolate.
Let me see how you guys can do it.
Okay, mix. No.
Perfect.
So we're making the paper for the muffins, and I will show you a tutorial how to do it. So first you cut some parchment paper in like a square, a 4 to 6 inch square. Then you like cut in the middle of each side like this. You don't want to do too much, otherwise the cupcake will be leaking out.
So from this part, my girls were a bit confused, which it seems like they don't know what they were doing at first. But trust me, they got it all right. So guys, please watch the video till end, okay? They will be very, very happy if you watch it and give them your comments. Trust me, this video is full of behind the scenes kind of, because I decided not to edit some parts so that they will know what they did in this video. Okay, all right.
So now we've made the vanilla muffins and they're set to go, but in the meantime we want to make chocolate muffins too.
Yes.
So now I'm gonna put in the cocoa powder. I'm gonna mix it. Okay, so it's set to go inside the oven. Look at the finished result. So guys, this is the finishing result.
Oh, looks so yummy. Oh,
I hope you enjoyed.
please subscribe.
Subscribe and like and follow.
Bye.
Bye.